So just a few years ago, if someone told you that virtual reality and spatial computing will become part of everyday life, okay? So you'll probably imagine wearing something like the Valve Index, the HP Reverb G2, okay, the Oculus Rift, or even the HTC Vive. So those are powerful devices, but they are large, heavy, and they are clearly a headset, okay? Then came devices like the Apple Vision Pro, and you have the Samsung Galaxy XR. These devices push the technology forward in a big way, but they still look and feel like headsets. Heavy, uncomfortable, sometimes not practical to wear outdoor. And now we have the XREAL Aura, okay? So when you put the Aura next to those devices, it becomes clear that we are finally getting close to what many of us have imagined for years. Small devices, a lot of computing power, can wear every day. So XR or VR technology that looks closer to regular pair of glasses than a heavy helmet on your face. So in my opinion, the XREAL Aura is not just another XR device. So it may be one of the most important products that we've seen in XR and VR because it points directly toward the future. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. This is Tech Talk. As always, I always want to take some time to thank all of my subscribers for supporting the channel because your support means a lot to me. You guys know creating these videos can take time, okay? So your likes, your comments, give me that extra boost to continue making this type of content. A lot of you watch the videos, 90% of you don't subscribe. It's okay. So if you are new here, welcome to the channel. This is a channel where I share my personal opinions with you on technology, gaming handhelds, XR glasses. If you like what you see, consider subscribing. So today I want to talk to you about a device I think that truly, makes me excited about the future of XR and spatial computing. I'm talking about the XREAL Aura. Now, let me share 5 reasons why I think the Aura is the beginning of the new era when it comes to XR and VR. And I will keep it short, straight to the point. My reason number 1, guys, is the XREAL Aura looks like the future. Okay, the hardware looks much closer to a regular pair of glasses than a traditional VR or, type of headset. So to me, if XR is going to go mainstream, this is the type of device consumers would actually wear for a long period of time. Reason number 2, this device is the type of device like the Aura is lightweight, means longer use for most people. So because most people don't like to wear something heavy for hours. That's one of the reasons why the Apple Vision Pro, which in my opinion is still the best VR hardware available today, but it failed to succeed because it's too heavy. So the lighter the device, the more likely people are to use it daily for work, travel, and entertainment. Reason number 3, you got productivity anywhere with this device. The XREAL Aura gives users access to large virtual displays where you don't have to carry bulky, large extra monitors. So for professionals, students, and creators, that is a huge advantage. I could even say this is a game changer. Reason number 4, it is easier for the public eyes. Most people will wear these glasses outdoor in public comfortably. The XREAL Aura glasses are far more socially acceptable than something like the Vision Pro or the Galaxy XR. Reason number 5, the Aura really is the next step in computing, in my opinion. Well, just like laptops and smartphones change computers from something that just sit in your house, okay, to something that you can take everywhere. I think the XREAL Aura could be the next major shift in computing. The Aura definitely gave us a glimpse of what the future will be like. Final thoughts. The XREAL Aura may not be the perfect XR or VR, but it does show exactly where XR and VR will land in just a few years. Smaller, lighter, more comfortable, more acceptable to wear in public, and closer than ever to something that people can wear all day long. So for me, that's what makes the Aura one of the most exciting XR products that I've seen in years. But those are just my thoughts. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment below. So is the XREAL Aura the future of XR, or are we still a few years away? So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Like always, guys, take care of yourself. Watch out for yourself. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next one. Take care, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.